Hey there guys, welcome back to Wanted to Capture. It's day 4 and it's around 4 p.m. and right now we are at Mawlynnong. Stories from Mawlynnong. Started our journey around 10 o'clock and reached here around 12:01. So not very far from Snowbank. Now we are going to explore this place. Let's see.
So make sure you subscribe to my channel.
So Mawlynnong village is basically the cleanest village in Asia. Now I'll show you why, because like it has the cleanest of all roads that I've ever seen, and I mean like you cannot find any bit of litter here. Like it's so damn clean. The locals have maintained it so damn well. So let's see. Hello.
Ada tay
Now let's show you the place we are staying in. It's very near to the main parking lot, so just walking distance. So let's show you.
You can follow me to get daily updates on Instagram. My handle is Wanted to Capture.